afternoon at 3:30. You pass my window, just like you're meant to be. I smooth my skirt and hold my breath so tight, hoping today you'll catch me in your sight.